Maintain your perspective. One day, an old story, a man had serious illness. He was wheeled into hospital. Another patient was already there. He rested near the window. The two men became friends. The one near the window would look outside each day and delight his bedridden friend with vivid outdoor descriptions. Some days he described trees in the park across hospital. He told how leaves danced. On other days, he explained step by step what people did as they walked by hospital. As time slowly went on, the bedridden man grew frustrated. He couldn't see the sights his friend described so well. Soon he disliked the man. Then he hated him intensely. One night the friend coughed. It was a bad fit. He suddenly stopped his breathing. The other man did nothing. He didn't press the button. Next morning the man died. Nurses came and wheeled him. He had given so much joy to his sick friend with stories from the window. The man asked for window. The nurse agreed and helped. He was placed beside window. But what he then saw shocked him to the core. The window faced a wall, a blank, stark brick wall. His friend had imagined everything. He described sights from mind. It was all a gesture, a selfless act of love to make his friend's world a little better during hardship. He had acted with love. This story always shifts me. It changes my own perspective. To live happier, more fulfilled, we must shift our perspective. In tough times, ask this: is there a wiser way? Can I see this better? Is this really so bad? Stephen Hawking, the great physicist, once shared a grand thought. We live on a planet orbiting an average-type star in a huge distant galaxy, one among countless other galaxies. How's that for a perspective shift? Are your troubles really big? Are your problems truly serious? Have you made them worse? We walk Earth a while. Life is brief and passing. In eternity, we are small, just blips on the canvas. So enjoy this short journey. Savor each step and moment. Have wisdom to love life. Treasure the process and growth.